In today's video, I'm going to teach you, can ChatGPT generate PHP code? The short answer is yes, ChatGPT can absolutely generate PHP code, and it can be a very useful tool for both beginners and experienced developers. If you are building websites or web applications, ChatGPT can help you write PHP scripts for a wide range of tasks. That includes forms, database connections, APIs, and user authentication. It can also create solutions that are simple and beginner-friendly, or more advanced depending on what you need. One of the biggest benefits is that it can save development time by automating repetitive coding tasks and giving you a strong starting point. For example, you can ask it to write a PHP script that connects to a MySQL database and displays user records. Prompts like that are clear, practical, and often produce usable code that you can test and build on. The better your prompt, the more accurate and helpful the response will usually be. ChatGPT is also useful when you want to build complete web development projects. It can help create login and registration systems, generate CRUD applications for creating, reading, updating and deleting records, and develop contact forms or file upload systems. It can also assist with REST APIs and other back-end functionality. So if you need something like a PHP login system with user authentication and password hashing, ChatGPT can often draft the structure and logic very quickly, which makes it easier to move from idea to implementation. Another powerful use case is debugging and improving existing code. You can paste in your PHP code and ask ChatGPT to find errors, explain what the code is doing step by step, and suggest improvements. This is especially helpful if you are learning PHP and want more than just a corrected version. It can also recommend performance upgrades, better security practices, and cleaner refactoring so your code is easier to read and maintain over time. That said, there are some best practices you should always follow when using ChatGPT for PHP. Always test generated code before deploying it anywhere. You should also verify important security measures, especially input validation and protection against SQL injection. ChatGPT should be treated as a coding assistant, not as a replacement for proper testing, review, and quality control. If the first result is not exactly what you want, refine it with follow-up prompts. For instance, you can ask it to optimize a script for security, performance, and maintainability. Used the right way, ChatGPT can be a fast, practical assistant for writing, improving, and understanding PHP code.